Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Richard today, and today we're going to talk about these Liftmasters. I'm going to press focus on right here. See how it says My Q Wi-Fi? If yours doesn't say Wi-Fi, it might need a module. But if you see Wi-Fi, sometimes it's not right there. It might be at the top end of it. Then we're going to go and take a look at the pad on the wall, and then I'm going to show you how to sync it. First thing you're going to want to do is open up either your app store or you're going to open up the other. And then what you're going to do, the Play Store, that's the other one. And you're going to type in My Q. There it is, Garage Access. This is the one you want. Press install. Continue. We're just going to not click any of these. We're going to skip it because we don't want any of that. All right, so after we've done all this, that's going to download. While that's downloading, flip up your little cover here. Unless yours has a little screen. If yours has the screen, you have to scroll through it to the Wi-Fi settings. But in this situation, we wouldn't. We would just flip this up. You'll see the Learn button here. We're not going to click it quite yet. We're going to open the app. And after we open the app, we're going to Get Started. And then what you're going to want to do is hit Sign Up. We're going to say we're from Canada. Put in all your information and press Sign Up. Make sure you uncheck this if you don't want the offers. So after you do that information, you press Next. It's going to send you an email. So go to your email and say click complete the registration. After you do that, it's going to tell you to quickly log into your garage. After you do that, it's going to ask you what you're hooking up. Garage door opener with Wi-Fi, which is the really cool ones with the flip up where you just automatically sync it that way. With ours, we don't, so you're just going to say garage door opener, and then it's going to make you check to make sure you have all of the following. Turn on, allow. After you've turned on your location services, if you haven't, you'll be able to check them all. If one of them isn't working, it'll bounce up, just like enable location. I'm ready. Which one do you have? Well, the closest one to this one is that one. It'll tell you to hit the Learn button. Okay, hit Learn. It just chimed. Press Next. Yes, we heard the chime. Boom. It automatically discovers which garage door opener you have. It's going to connect to it. After this, it's going to ask for a Wi-Fi password. So, perfect. Click on whichever one's yours and then put in the password. See, it's just letting us know right now that it's doing all its stuff by doing its series of beeps. From here, if you want, you can label this as your garage. I don't know why trying to type while looking through a phone is such an inception thing. I have really big fingers. Jeez. Okay, garage. Perfect. Next. Next. Done. Come on. There we go. You're all set. Finish. Safety. Okay. You're going to see that it says your garage door is open. Let's show you what happens. And yes, it is when you go to do this. It gives you a bunch of notice letting you know that it's closing because it doesn't want you to hit your kids if your kids are underneath it. And then you just let it do its thing. And then if you go to open it, you just hit it. Look at that magic. Works on 3G, so if you are away from your house, you are able to do that and let somebody into your garage. Like let's say if you had Amazon there and you had a camera in your garage to make sure they don't take anything, they just leave things. You get them to leave a package and then open it. They'll put it in your garage, then you can close it behind them. Pretty sweet. Anyways, I hope that helped you out. Press a little like if it didn't, subscribe for more.